water is the life. Water is life and I want to tell
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे TLI क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, हम ऐसे ही बच्चों की वीडियोस और डिबेट्स की वीडियोस हम अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड करते हैं। आज यह बच्चा वाटर पर इंग्लिश में स्पीच देगा और अपनी इंग्लिश को बेटर बनाएगा। और जो भी बच्चे इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं उनको ये पता लगेगा ये बच्चा कहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहा है और हमें यहाँ मिस्टेक नहीं करनी, और हम कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं और कैसे बोल सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
And today I would like to tell you about some opinions which is totally about the water and how can we use the water. I would like to tell you about, so you know that about the water. In this time water is the must to all of people, because in this time water is the used in all over the world and in entire world, because I want to tell you about the use of the water. And you know that about the water is the mandatory to all of people, because in this time we need water. Not only we need water but also all animals need water, because if you go to in the forest, so definitely you can see their parents, you can see their animals need the water. And you know that about the water, and without the water life is not. And it is told that in all over the world water is the life. Water is life. And I want to tell you about the farms. If you go in the village and if you go in the hamlet area, so definitely you can see in the village farm needs the water. And why? What's the reason behind of this? Because in this time water is spiking day by day in all over the world, not only in all over the world but also out of world. And you know that about the water, and water is spiking day by day in all over the world, and water is decreasing day by day in all over the world. But what's the reason behind of this? Because mostly people and mostly plebeian and mostly ranking file keep using the water and wasting the water round the clock, which is the very wrong, and as well as which is the very worst to all people. We should use a little bit water in this work, like mostly people keep washing the car and mostly people keep wasting the water in the very bad work. And you know that about the water is very good for to all of people, because in our life if water is, so definitely life is very easy, and water is not, so our life is very bogus, and as well as our life is very worst. So you know that about the water, and I want to tell you about the use of water. And use of water is very good. And you know that about the trees, and if trees in our world, so definitely we can survive easily and we can survive intensely in this world. And you know that trees, if we give water to the all trees, so definitely all trees will grow and all trees will increase in this world. And I will tell you about the water. We can eat the food easily and intensely with the help of the water, because with the help of the water, whatever we want to cook and whatever we want to eat, so definitely we have to use the water at any cost.